It's 2018, and this year we're not going to be seeing the new HTC U12. Instead, we'll be seeing the U12 Plus. HTC feels that the Plus gives it a more premium sense, competing directly with the iPhone 8 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And the 6-inch screened phone is definitely HTC's flagship for the year, so we can see why they've done this. 6 inches of Quad HD screen, boom sound speakers, and a Snapdragon 845. Very, very cool from the off. But what's really new about this phone is the new EdgeSense 2. Not only can you squeeze this phone in order to activate Google Assistant or your camera, but you can also double tap the side. This fires up a quick launcher that gives you quick access to your favorite applications. While the technology does seem very cool, HTC did warn us that thick OtterBox style cases aren't going to work with it, but there is a case in the box. You've got a primary 12 megapixel sensor, secondary 16 megapixel sensor around the back, dual cameras for all those blurry background, sharp foreground effects, and fundamentally good pictures. The U11 was great, and this thing builds on it. There's phase detection autofocus, laser autofocus as well, optical image stabilization, electric image stabilization, and 1.4 micron pixel sizes, so the pixels are nice and big and will let a lot of light in. What's also great is Hdr Boost 2 is on board. The new HDR technology means you're going to be able to pull a really nice wide range of tones from your shots. In addition, the video stabilization is super strong, combining optical and electric, just like with the Google Pixel 2 and 2 XL. In true HTC style, it's also all about the sound on this thing. The boom sound speakers are louder than ever, and there's 24-bit sound recording as well. 4 microphones on board, so it's also going to be very sensitive when you're shouting your OK Google commands. Sorry if that just turned yours on. The design of this thing's also pretty cool. You've got 3 colors in the liquid surface design: flame red, ceramic black, and translucent blue. The translucent blue version is, as the name suggests, semi-opaque, so you can kind of see some of the internals, and that's going to be the flagship color HTC goes with. There's no 3.5 Ml headphone jack, and there's also no dongle in the box to let you use your own headphones, but there are headphones in the box, and they're very smart headphones. Active noise cancelling, and they can also detect your ear shape and tune music and sound accordingly. That's HTC's U-Sonic headphones that we've seen before, and they do work very nicely. As for the front of the phone, there are teeny tiny bezels either side, boom sound speakers on the front of the phone above and below. The fingerprint scanner is around the back, and there's face unlock as well. The phone doesn't actually have any buttons. Instead, you've got raised areas where the power and volume buttons would be, and when you press them, you get haptic feedback. In other words, they vibrate. Rounding off, there's a 3500 mAh battery, which with that 6-inch screen should get you through a full day, but you're going to have to wait for our full review to get the final verdict. Off the bat, the only thing really missing is wireless charging, if indeed you care about that. If not, the HTC U12 Plus looks like a very fully featured phone. To find out more about it, TechRadar.com is your destination. Thanks for watching.